Alright, so the last in the series of the unboxing videos for NECA is the 2019 Deluxe figure with Aku and 3 interchangeable heads. This has a cardboard box rather than a blister pack. And yeah, it was released in conjunction with and following on from the 3 sets of vehicles and equipment released in the NECA line. I think I prefer the cardboard boxes. So this comes with a Crash 2 style portal. It's the backdrop, and yeah, I'll be keeping this for display purposes. First of all, there's the Aku mask, obviously high quality with the notch to put onto Crash's nose, in case anyone's wondering. The Crash figure himself. We've included eyebrow protection, because yeah, these things pop off a lot. So by and large, he's very similar to the original figure. Obviously his expression is different. And then you also get these 2 interchangeable heads with crazy eyes from the end of Crash's dance, and then just a regular face too. And then yeah, obviously each of these can support the mask if I had 2 hands. So yeah, pretty much that's the Crash figure. You can see how easy it is to pop the head off. So yeah, with a bit of consistent force, his head will pop off, which has this like joystick thing. It's a ball joint, and then you can change to different Crash expressions. So yeah, that's the Deluxe figure pretty much. Be sure to keep following my Instagram page of Crash Bandicoot Australia. I'll be releasing different style of content moving forward. Yeah, as things progress with the Crash franchise. But yeah, thanks for watching.